you a little introduction of what the company is all about. If I want to be explaining in a short amount of words, we use virtual reality to enhance corporate learning in a specific onboarding program, retail, and soft skills. Now, you probably are already familiar with virtual reality. Maybe you have used the Oculus Go, or you have already played with the Oculus Quest, has amazing games. And gaming is the #1 industry by far. But do you happen to know what is the second biggest industry for virtual reality products? That is correct. Training, especially corporate training, is the second biggest industry for virtual reality at the moment, with third being retail